Hello lovely people. Wagwan. Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing the fox eyes. This is another trend that's been going on for some time now, and I was like, I'm gonna do it because I feel like I've been doing the fox eye trend for forever already. Before the trend started, I feel like in the beauty world they always use something that already exists and then change the name. Because I've been like elongating my eyes for forever, but I guess now they're calling it the fox eye trend. And basically what that is, it's really just like a cat eye but a more diffused cat eye, and it's supposed to like snatch the eyes, like, you know, elongate your eyes, give you that like nice lifted eye. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm also gonna be doing the Doja Cat eyebrows. If you guys know Doja Cat, you know what I'm talking about. Her eyebrows are like really straight up, and with the fox eye trend, your eyebrows is also supposed to be straight. So I figure, why not do the Doja Cat eyebrows? Now your eyebrows doesn't have to be that straight like Doja Cat, but I figure I would do both because I feel like that would complement the fox eye really well, since the Doja Cat eyebrow also lifts your eye. So my eyes are gonna be extremely lifted, honey, okay? They're gonna be lifted up to God, to the heavens. Without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, so now first we're gonna start off with the Doja Cat eyebrows. Remember, this is how Doja Cat has her eyebrow. My eyebrows are not straight at all. They're curved, so it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge, and I'm not shaving the tip of my eyebrows off, okay? I am not. So I'm gonna use some powder. I'm gonna put some powder right there, and I'm gonna see if I can like cancel out the edge. That way when I draw my eyebrows, I can draw it straight up. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent powder. So now I'm gonna see if I can draw the eyebrows going up to give that Doja Cat effect. And I'm using my Revlon Color Stay pencil in the shade dark brown. Wow. Whoa. Okay. I kind of like it. I'm not mad at it. It's very different for me, because, you know, I'm used to having my eyebrows like. All right, so my eyebrows is a little thicker than hers, but I just wanted to get the overall shape. Like I said, it's like a straight eyebrow, like going up. So I think I achieved that. So now I'm gonna put a little foundation. I cleaned the top up with a little bit of foundation. Yeah, the bottom I'm gonna clean up with this NYX base, and this is in the shade Skin Tone. Okay, I think it's looking good. And then when I put the foundation on and finish the rest of my eyes, it'll all come together. A little bit of my hair in the mirror, there's a little bit peeking through, but I feel like I did a good job at concealing most of the hair. And this is the best I can do. So let's move on to the fox eyes. Now that we got the Doja Cat eyebrows down, we're gonna start with the fox eyes now. Who's we? I'm gonna start with the fox eyes now. Okay, so I'm gonna go into my Jackie Aina palette, my good old trusted palette, and I'm gonna start off with the shade Edges. And you don't need much to do the fox eyes, to be honest with you. So let me go in with I'm gonna use my e.l.f. blending eye brush and lightly tap it, because let me tell you, Jackie's Aina palette is very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. And you're gonna kind of, while you're blending that into the crease, around the corners, you're gonna go ahead and drag that out as well, because now you're trying to create that eye, like that elongated eye. So you're gonna go ahead and drag that out, and take your time when you're doing this. When you're finished, you're gonna clean that up with a little powder. So, but yeah, this is the effect you want. Alright, so now I'm gonna take a little bit of ginger right here. I'm gonna blend that in as well in the outer corners with Edges, just a little bit. I'm gonna more so concentrate ginger though in the crease and just on the outer corners of the crease. I'm gonna use like a flat brush. I'm gonna smudge it also across the lid. Take a little bit of credit, and I'm gonna go ahead and swipe that across the lid and kind of bring it out as well. See how that gives like a little wing, like a little lift. It's giving your eyes a little lift. That's what you want, but you want it very diffused, a nice little brown, and we're barely tapping it on there and just kind of like blowing it out. Okay, see, I'm loving that blown out effect. And with the eyebrows, yes. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with another blending brush with nothing on it, and I'm just gonna like kind of blend in everything more together. I'm gonna go into my Victoria's Secret palette. So now for my favorite part, the eyelashes. So with the eyelashes, you're supposed to you're supposed to put it on the outer corners of the eyes. You want the eyes to be lifted, so that's why they put it on the outer corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. I put the lashes at the corners of my eyes, and now I'm going to bring down that black down into here, because like I said, the whole purpose of this is to have your eyes elongated. I put a little bit more powder up here, by the way, but I'm gonna fix that at the end, don't worry. When I do the rest of my face, when I put my foundation and do a little, I'm just gonna do a little highlight and contour and my lips, everything will come together. But now I'm just gonna bring this down a little bit. That's looking good to me. And then when I'm gonna line under my eyes a little bit, so it'll look more cohesive. But yeah, that's looking good to me. Let me do the other eye. Guys, I actually love it. I love it. Like, this is gonna be me. This is gonna be me from now on, okay? I love it. It's simple, quick, easy. It really does give your eyes like a nice snatched eye lift. And I'm gonna clean up the edges a little bit with some powder, you see right here? So let me do the rest of my face. I'm gonna speed that part up, and then we'll be right back with the final look. I did my highlight, contour, light highlighting, light contouring, do my lips, everything off camera. This video is about the eyes and the eyebrows anyway, so y'all, foxy eyes come through. Come through. I am loving the whole look, even with the eyebrows, the straight eyebrows, because with the eyes, like I said, and I knew it too, I said I bet you if I do the Doja Cat eyebrows and the fox eyes, it will complement each other, and it definitely complements each other. I'm really loving this look. Fox eyes all 2020, okay? I don't know about the Doja Cat eyes all 2020, but because I would have to shave off my eyebrows, and I don't know if I'm ready to shave off my eyebrows yet, so, but I'm loving the whole look together. I really am. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video or you found it helpful, go ahead and share me out. Give this video a big like. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Oh, shout out to Foxy Brown. Shout out to Foxy Brown started this trend years ago, okay? Shout out to Foxy Brown. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Bye. If you're a beginner, this look is for you. I'm telling you.